Hi everybody, my name is Celeste Greene. I am a certified laughter yoga teacher and laughter ambassador, and I want to invite you to laugh and play with me like you're a 5-year-old on a playground, okay? We are going to have so much fun together. As much as you will allow yourself to let go and be playful, the more fun we will have, all right? So that's all you really need to know. Just laugh with me and play with me, and we're going to have a great time together. This first one's called Just Laughing. We don't know why we're laughing, and we're just going to laugh anyway. So toss your hands up in the air and let's go. Why are you laughing? And say this with me. Very good, very good. Yay! Let's do it again. Very good, very good. Yay! Very nice, everybody. This next exercise is shy laughter. We're gonna laugh like we're a little shy. Ready? Go! And now take your arms out wide. Ta-da! Let's do that again. Ta-da! Ta-da! And say this with me. Very good, very good. Yay! Let's do that again. Very good, very good. Yay! Right on. This is called Laugh at Yourself Laughter. We're just going to turn our thumbs inward and just laugh at ourselves. Ready? Go! And ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Two more. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Last one. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. And yay! Wonderful. This next one's called Laugh or I'll Cry Laughter. Boo-hoo-hoo. So what we're going to do is at times we're going to go down and we're going to cry. And other times we're going to come up and we're going to laugh. All right? And alternating between the two, crying and laughing. Ready? Go. And very good, very good. Yay! Let's do that again. Very good, very good. Yay! Very nice. This next one's called Hugging Laughter. You got it. We're just going to reach our arms around and we're just going to give ourselves a real good hug, pat on the back, all while laughing. All right? Ready? Go! And ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Two more. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Last one. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. And yay! Very nice. We are going to conclude with a little bubble blowing laughter. So what we're going to do is dip our wand in here and we're going to blow and pop the bubbles as we laugh. All right? Ready? Go. And very good, very good. Yay! Let's do that again. Very good, very good. Yay! Excellent. My name's Celeste Greene. Please click that subscribe button below. Always get new videos first. I'll laugh with you next time. Bye-bye.